Welcome to Now Vauxhall. Here today we have a Vauxhall CASCADA 1.4 Elite, 2-door fitted with a manual transmission. Finished in white, the car was registered in April 2013 and as you can see is on a 13 plate. This car has a warranted mileage of 12,185 miles. The CASCADA has a CO2 figure of 148, which equates to road fund licence fee of £150 annually. Factory fitted fog lamps, 19-inch 10-spoke alloy wheels, colour-coded door mirrors and door handles, rear parking sensors, leather interior, ISOFIX, storage, radio and CD player, air conditioning, Bluetooth, heated seats, leather covered steering wheel, cruise control and audio controls, electric windows and door mirrors, This is a now approved vehicle and comes fully serviced and ready to go with a 3-month comprehensive warranty. You can reserve this vehicle online with a £100 no quibble deposit or call our internet sales team to arrange a convenient appointment. If you are thinking of finance, we are confident we can beat any high street lender with our flexible dealer funding plans. Thank you for visiting Now Vauxhall.